Good afternoon. Here, people from Auctionwini. We are at the port of Incheon here in South Korea. We have a lot of cars we're showing today for the port. The cars here are being prepared for the shipping. This is mostly container. Now here we have a 2016 Land Rover Discovery. This one was sold in Auctionwini.com in the auction number 341, if I remember correctly. This is going to the port of Chernomorsk in Ukraine. Now, what is interesting about this car? Now, when it comes to Korean cars, they are imported as well from Europe. In this case, for example, this model is the European version of the car. So it has a turbo diesel type of engine instead of the fuel of gasoline type that is seen in America. So when people buy these cars, they buy knowing that in hand, that the cars they're buying from Korea are cars imported with the full options, because they always buy the latest versions of the models with full bling, and then they're shipped back to Europe in this case, in the case of Ukraine, or everywhere around the world. Now, if you want to buy this car, you can check it out on Auctionwini.com. We have auctions every week. This one was sold for the low price of $5,000 in the last auction because it's running drive, it's running perfectly fine. It has some details on the inside because of its wear and torn, but that's the point of the Auctionwini, where you can find some of these great deals for lowest prices than you normally find. Until next time, join the auction. Thank you.